Good day, sir, madam. My name is Evangeline O. Miñano. I'm 40 years old. I'm married. I have two children, aged 21 years old and 10 years old. My mother's housewife. My father is work at the farmers. I have 7 sisters and 1 brother. I am from Visayas, Western Samar. I am high school graduate and I work as a domestic helper in Philippines. For 2 years, I served 4 family members, 2 adult and 4 months old newborn baby and 1 children 10 years old. My main duties: cleaning the house, taking care of the baby, washing clothes, iron clothes, washing the dishes, and car washing and gardening. And I'm finished my contract. And I work as domestic helper in the Saudi Arabia for 2 different employers. My first employer, I worked in 2 years and 2 months. I served 7 family members, 2 adult, 3 teenagers, 19, 18, and 16, and twins 8 years old. My main duties: cleaning the house, washing clothes, iron clothes, washing the dishes, car washing, and gardening. And I finished my contract. My second employer, I am 2 years and 7 months. I served 4 family members, 2 adult, 1 newborn baby, 8 months old, and 1 children 2 years old. My main duties: taking care of the baby, cooking, cleaning the house, washing clothes, iron clothes, and washing the dishes, and car washing, and gardening. Sir, madam, if you hired me, I will do my best. I serve your family. I will treat your family as my family too. I will do my duties. I will do my responsibility. I will be honest, loyal, flexible, reliable, and hardworking. That's all. Thank you and God bless.